this episode, we will see why was Lord Vishnu born as Matsya Avatara. Along with Brahma, the creator, and Shiva, the destroyer, Lord Vishnu is one of the three main deities in Hinduism, and they are together known as the Trimurti. Being a part of the Trinity, he has 10 incarnations, and the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu are the several forms he took whenever the universe was in turmoil. Each of Vishnu's avatars had the same purpose which they achieved by different means. This divine purpose was the restoration of Dharma or righteousness and to save the planet and the good people from the hands of evils, demons or asuras. When Adharma emerged in the form of asura named Hayagriva, Lord Vishnu incarnated as a fish. Let us see the story according to the Matsya Purana. Goes like this. There lived a asura named Hayagriva. He was the son of sage Kashyapa and his wife Danu. People hailed sage Kashyapa for being a boon to humanity, but Hayagriva was the exact opposite. The demon was chosen as the Danavraj, king of demons, and his sole motive was to stop humans from becoming more powerful than the Danavs. Demon Hayagriva wanted to establish the Danav clan as the most superior one. Therefore, he made several attempts to disrupt the progress of the human clash. And after learning that Lord Vishnu had handed over the 4 Vedas to Lord Brahma, he decided to steal them to stop the sacred text from reaching the humans. Demon Hayagriva succeeded in stealing the Vedas from Brahmaloka, and therefore to free the Vedas from his clutches, Lord Vishnu appeared as a fish. Once upon a time, Satyavrata, the king of pre-ancient Dravida and a devotee of Vishnu, who later was known as Manu, was washing his hands in a river. When a little fish swam into his hands and pleaded with him to save its life, he put in a jar, which it soon outgrew. He then moved it to a tank, then a river, and then finally the ocean, but to no avail. The fish then revealed himself to be Vishnu and told him that a deluge would occur within 7 days and would destroy all life. Let us see why did Lord Vishnu assume the form of a fish. Brahma knew that the people on earth will not be able to make use of the Vedas until they are purified. He knew that social values had degenerated and hence the need for re-establishing humanity had risen. Therefore he sought help from Shiva to destroy humanity only to produce a conducive atmosphere. Vishnu knew about the Shiva's plan to cause massive floods. Therefore, he incarnated in the form of Matsya. Moreover, he had to save Manu and his wife Shatarupa, the couple that would be instrumental in conceiving humans once again. Hence, after killing the Asura Hayagriva and retrieving the Vedas, the Matsya avatar of Lord Vishnu saved Manu and his wife and the Saptarishis who represented knowledge. In the end, he handed over the Vedas to Manu so that he could use them for the welfare of humankind. This is the story behind the Matsya avatar of Lord Vishnu. Thank you.